Opposition leader Ramesh Chennithala has expressed his support for K. Sudhakaran's remarks on Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan as the son of a Toddy tapper. According to Chennithala, Sudhakaran symbolically mentioned the Chief Minister's extravagance and corruption. Chennithala said that he was fully satisfied with the explanation of K. Sudhakaran on the matter and added that Sudhakaran had not made any wrong statement. Chennithala told media that Sudhakaran is an asset to the party so that the party couldn't blame or deny him. Sudhakaran is a leader with good supporters. The party is not of the opinion that he had insulted anyone. I had spoken to Sudhakaran on the phone. It is not right to spread misleading news. The most important thing is the illegal appointments seen in the state, he said. I made a public statement to media on Thursday and later it was portrayed differently. This controversy should end here. Sudhakaran is not a person who criticizes anyone. He has been in the political field for many years, Chennithala said. Responding to a media query on Thursday, Ramesh Chennithala had said that what Sudhakaran said should have been avoided. Following this, Sudhakaran said that the remark against the Chief Minister was not casteist and that he did not know why the opposition leader had taken exception to his statement. He added that there was a conspiracy behind the controversy. There was nothing wrong with using the term Toddy tapper's son. I just meant that Labour leaders forget the past when they reach heights, Sudhakaran explained. Sudhakaran's explanation came in the wake of a controversy over the reference to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, who was born into a Toddy tapper's family. Toddy tapper is not a caste. I stand by my statement. I am fully aware of its rights and wrongs and I don't think I should correct my words. I meant that the state's fund is being misused for personal pleasures. Rupees 18 crores was spent on buying a helicopter. Did the former chief ministers also travel in helicopters? Sudhakaran asked. K. Sudhakaran made the controversial remark during a speech at Thalassery meeting of Aishwarya Kerala Yatra led by Ramesh Chennithala. He had said that Pinarayi Vijayan, who belongs to the family of a Toddy tapper, is the first chief minister to buy a helicopter to travel. News Desk Kaumudy, English.